Hello, welcome to Hello Simple English. My name is Ricky.
Hello, Ricky. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Ricky.
Today we are talking about daily routine. Daily routine means what you do every day.
Yes, things you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
This is very important English. Very simple, very useful.
People talk about daily routine all the time.
At work, at school, with friends. Let's start slowly. In the morning, you wake up.
I wake up in the morning.
Good. You can say, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. I wake up at.
I wake up at.
Very good. Daily routine English is easy
Yes, very easy.
and very useful. Now let's talk about the morning. The morning is the start of the day.
Yes, the morning is very important.
In the morning, people wake up.
I wake up in the morning.
Good. After you wake up, you get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Very good. Then you say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Perfect. You can also say, I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Great. Now let's talk about breakfast. In the morning, people eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
You can say, I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast at home.
Or, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Very good. Now let's practice together. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Now let's make a simple sentence. In the morning, I wake up and eat breakfast.
In the morning, I wake up and eat breakfast.
Very clear English. You can use this every day.
Yes, every day.
Morning English is easy.
Very easy.
Great job. Now let's talk about work and study. After the morning, people work or study.
Yes, many people work or study.
You can say, I work.
I work.
Or you can say, I study.
I study.
Very good. You can also say where you work. I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Or I work at home.
I work at home.
Perfect. Now let's talk about study. I study English.
I study English.
I study in the morning.
I study in the morning.
Great. Now let's practice together. I work.
I work.
I study English.
I study English.
I work at home.
I work at home.
Excellent. Now let's make a longer sentence. In the morning, I work.
In the morning, I work.
Or, in the morning, I study English.
In the morning, I study English.
Very clear. This is common English.
Yes, very common.
You can use this at work.
And at school.
Great job. Now let's talk about the afternoon. The afternoon is after the morning.
Yes. The afternoon is part of the day.
In the afternoon, people work or study.
I work in the afternoon.
Good. You can also say, I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Very good. You can say, I eat lunch at 12.
I eat lunch at 12.
Perfect. After lunch, people go back to work.
I go back to work.
Or, I study in the afternoon.
I study in the afternoon.
Great. Now let's practice. I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I work in the afternoon.
I work in the afternoon.
Excellent. Now let's talk about the evening. The evening is after the afternoon.
Yes. The evening is time to relax.
In the evening, people stop working.
I stop working in the evening.
Good. You can say, I go home,
I go home.
or I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Very good. People also relax in the evening. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
Great job. Now let's talk about the night. The night is the end of the day.
Yes. The night is quiet.
At night, people get ready to sleep.
I get ready to sleep.
Good. You can say, I take a shower,
I take a shower.
or I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Very good. Then people sleep. I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
Perfect. Now let's practice. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Excellent. Now let's talk about likes in daily life. Likes are things you enjoy every day.
Yes. Things that make the day better.
People often ask, what do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
You can answer with simple verbs. I like to wake up early.
I like to wake up early.
I like to drink coffee.
I like to drink coffee.
I like to listen to music.
I like to listen to music.
Very good. You can also talk about things you don't like. I don't like to wake up late.
I don't like to wake up late.
I don't like noise.
I don't like noise.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. What do you like to do in the morning?
I like to drink coffee.
What do you like to do in the evening?
I like to listen to music.
Excellent. Talking about likes makes conversations easy.
Yes, people connect this way.
Simple English is enough.
Very enough.
Great job. Now let's put everything together. We will talk about a full daily routine.
From morning to night.
Listen carefully. In the morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee.
In the morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee.
In the afternoon, I work. I eat lunch. I go back to work.
In the afternoon, I work. I eat lunch. I go back to work.
In the evening, I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. I watch TV.
In the evening, I go home. I eat dinner. I relax. I watch TV.
Very good. This is a full daily routine.
Simple and clear.
You can change the sentences.
Yes, make them your own.
That is how you learn. Now let's do a calm listening practice. Just listen and understand. I will say a sentence. Emma will say it again. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I work in the afternoon.
I work in the afternoon.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed at night.
I go to bed at night.
Excellent. Now listen to this short routine. I wake up early. I work during the day. I relax in the evening. I sleep at night.
I wake up early. I work during the day. I relax in the evening. I sleep at night.
Very good. Listening is very important.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Listen again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences slowly. You are learning English.
Step by step.
Now let's slow down and focus on confidence. When you talk about your daily routine, you do not need long sentences.
Short sentences are good.
Yes, short sentences are clear. You can say one sentence at a time. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I work during the day.
I work during the day.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
Very good. Now let's connect two sentences. I wake up early and I eat breakfast.
I wake up early and I eat breakfast.
Perfect. You can speak slowly.
People understand.
Yes, confidence comes with practice. Now let's practice again. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I work.
I work.
I relax.
I relax.
Excellent. This is daily English.
Simple and useful.
Now let's practice questions and answers. People ask about your routine.
Yes, very common questions.
People ask, what time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
You can answer, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Good. Another question is, what do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning?
You can say, I work, or I study.
I work.
Very good. Another question. What do you do in the evening?
What do you do in the evening?
You can answer, I relax. I watch TV.
I relax and watch TV.
Excellent. Now let's practice together. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax.
Great job. Now let's do slow listening practice. Just listen. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I work during the day.
I work during the day.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed at night.
I go to bed at night.
Very good. Listening helps your brain learn.
Yes, it feels natural.
Listen again when you can. Now listen to a full routine again. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
I work during the day. I eat lunch. I go back to work.
I work during the day. I eat lunch. I go back to work.
I go home in the evening. I eat dinner. I relax.
I go home in the evening. I eat dinner. I relax.
At night, I take a shower. I go to bed. I sleep.
At night, I take a shower. I go to bed. I sleep.
Perfect. This is real daily English.
Easy to remember.
Now let's finish today's episode slowly. Let's review what we learned. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I work or study.
I work or study.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed at night.
I go to bed at night.
Excellent. This is simple English.
English you can use every day.
Listen again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences. You are learning step by step.
You are doing great.
Now let's talk about time words. Time words help you talk about your routine.
Yes, words like morning and night.
Very good. You can say in the morning,
In the morning,
in the afternoon,
in the afternoon,
in the evening,
in the evening,
at night.
at night.
Perfect. Now let's use these words in sentences. In the morning, I wake up early.
In the morning, I wake up early.
In the afternoon, I work.
In the afternoon, I work.
In the evening, I relax.
In the evening, I relax.
At night, I go to bed.
At night, I go to bed.
Excellent. These time words are very useful.
Yes, we use them every day.
Listen and repeat. In the morning,
In the morning,
at night.
at night.
Great job. Now let's practice yes or no questions. These questions are very common.
Yes, people ask them all the time.
Listen carefully. Do you wake up early?
Do you wake up early?
You can answer, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Or, no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Very good. Another question. Do you work in the afternoon?
Do you work in the afternoon?
You can say, yes, I do,
Yes, I do.
or no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. Do you relax in the evening?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to bed early?
No, I don't.
Excellent. Yes and no answers are easy.
Yes, very easy.
Now let's have a calm conversation. We will talk like friends.
Yes, very natural.
What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early and eat breakfast.
Nice. Do you work in the afternoon?
Yes, I do. I work in the afternoon.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax and listen to music.
That sounds good. And at night?
At night, I go to bed and sleep.
Perfect. This is real English conversation.
Simple and calm.
You can use this English every day.
At work, at home.
Take your time. Listen again. You are learning.
Step by step.
Great job today.